What is up, everyone? So I've been going absolutely insane waiting for this cam and crank trigger kit to come in for the RB25 because it's like the last thing we need to make this thing like run. Rushed so fast to just sit and wait for parts, but that's my fault. No one really sells a kit in the United States, so you're kind of just stuck having to wait for international shipping, which is just so hit or miss. But there is a piece or pieces I need to get this kit installed correctly, and well, of course, Mr. Tommy Effia has it, and we're gonna go visit Tommy in his
JDM space.
And of course, we stole RJ's car because I've been daily driving a mini truck.
Yeah, you gotta do something about that.
I like to do this thing where I compromise on my daily driver because project cars are more fun, right? Anytime I get any bit of money saved up, I just buy another project car, and it's always been my curse. I've done that since I, well, have been in the car. So I think it's time to step it up, Donnie.
Times to pull it off the lot, as they say.
My credit scores be looking extra good lately, so maybe we'll finally make an adult move, but we'll save that for later in the week.
What should Jimmy buy for a truck, okay? There's gonna be a lot of stupid comments saying crazy things, but what do you think he should buy for a truck?
Let us know, but that's a whole nother discussion for a whole nother day. But in the meantime, let's go visit Mr. Effia.
What's up? You're here to rob some more shit?
Dude, every time I come here, there's more parts.
Plethora.
We try to get him some help, and it just makes it worse.
I think we need an intervention for Tommy.
Dude, I've tried, and it's just like, I tell him he can only have one set of old local pedals, he buys 5 sets. It's just like, it's like, dude, I need a set for my car, and he goes, nope, I bought them all, sorry.
Dude, look at this.
It's insane.
It's a clash between holy crap, this is cool, and holy crap, you have a problem.
Yeah, he's crossed that.
Oh my god. I was here, what, like 2 weeks ago, and it's already doubled. And whatever. Hey Grant, how are you, buddy?
What's up, dude? What's up, brother?
What's
How are
happening?
you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Jeez.
I don't think I'll notice. So every time we come here, you guys see it, we come in, we show off all of Tommy's stuff. We always show off how amazing we are because there's just so much shit here. But today, of course, we were digging for RB parts because RBs aren't common in the United States. If you guys are watching from New Zealand, we see it all the time, very common. United States, not so common. Then we have Tommy.
Common.
Common.
Are you calling me common? I'm as common as they come.
You're the common RB guy, so.
Average height, average, if you know what I'm saying.
As we see the compensation. So,
Compensating.
that's it. So, there's RB parts literally everywhere. And Tommy, I've come to rob you of some of your newer components because I couldn't get them in time, so.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, that's what it is.
You send this guy out. He looks fast.
Fast Donnie.
How much would you foot race me for? Money on the table.
I got 40
Real
bucks.
money.
A good amount.
You gotta pay me a lot to run.
A good amount.
How much?
I'll put 50 bucks on Donnie.
Let's go big money. I wanna go cheese. I'm talking
James. Jeez.
Okay, so here's the thing, right?
Let's side rail him some more.
The cam and crank trigger kit, you actually have to replace the cam gear that attaches to the timing belt, right? On the kit I got.
Yeah.
So-
So, have you ever taken one of those off?
No.
Hey Josh, how do you take the lower gear off the crank of an RB?
Usually they just slide off right after you get it.
Josh, don't you remember you have to drill it and crack it in half?
Wait, what?
It's frozen.
Which they all always are.
Oh,
Hold on.
You
dropping
have
gems.
to drill it and crack it in
If it's
half.
frozen, you pretty much get another Woodruff key, pull the front one out, and then you have your guide through, because that's your thinnest point, drill the center, then you can break
They
it.
never come off. I've never seen one come off easy.
You just ruined his.
I've had a few come off here, but like, those are also fresh engines from Japan, so.
Hey, this
I
was
mean,
a
your
fresh
engine's
one.
pretty good.
Okay,
That
well,
car has 40,000
so we have to
miles.
remove that, hopefully not the drill and crack it. And so the timing belt will be off and the timing pulleys will be off. The motor's low miles, but it's still old. So I'm coming to steal Tommy's extra timing belt, brand new in the box.
Oh, you want time about?
Yeah.
So you drill there, and your
The thin
shortest point.
Yeah, and then you just
And
whack
then
it with
you
it.
have a perfect open spot for a chisel.
I would bet money yours would have to be broken off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Those are Neos. Yeah, those are Neos. They're different.
Yeah.
They're fucking 10 years new.
Hopefully we don't have to drill this thing out and break it off the engine.
Tommy
So
said you're gonna-
the aftermarket one, what it comes with is it's this gear with basically teeth on it for a crank pickup, right? So we'll explain it more once it shows up. It might show up today, that's why I'm running out here today, but the tracking is being iffy, so.
So you need this.
Okay.
You need this.
Yep, what is this? Pulley number one?
Tensioner. You need this pulley. That's the idler. And you need this. And the coolest thing, you see that right there, DJ?
That is
The sticker.
A sticker that you
Factory
mark the
sticker.
mileage.
Why did they send a sticker?
So you write on that the mileage when you replace time belt, and then you put this.
That was smart of them.
Yeah, dude.
Put it in there.
It's for shops and shit. So you write your mileage and you put it on the timing cover, and then if someone buys a car after Jimmy, which I don't recommend, it says when the time belt was replaced.
So what's cool though, you can still buy all this brand new, and it's very affordable, which is nice.
Yeah, I think this whole kit's like 110 bucks.
I might get the Tommy markup, but
Yeah, 120 bucks, I mean.
I appreciate it. So we got our RB goodies from Tommy. It is nice that Tommy has like an abundance of everything because
He has everything.
everything. Because a lot of these parts, like I said, the RB stuff is just not common in the States. So a lot of these parts are just super far out. So when we're on a YouTube schedule of needing everything right now, Tommy's
It's good
got
to
it.
have a Tommy.
It's good to have a Tommy. So one day I'll have something he needs that's other than just cash. So. All right, since Tommy scared me into saying this might be a nightmare of a job, I kind of want to take it all apart today. So when the cam and crane trigger kit actually do come in, we can throw it together and get it running that day instead of having a really long day. So what we have to do is we have to basically pull out the radiator, pull off all the accessory belts and whatnot, pull off the front timing cover, get the crank pulley off, expose the cam gears and the crank gear, take the belt off, and hopefully we could take off the crank gear on the bottom of the crankshaft and it'll come off nice and easy and our life will be easy, right?
Hopefully. Mishy who?
There we go. Nice. We got some room to work with. Can we fit an impact gun in there? Nope.
No.
So maybe we should try and unbolt the crank pulley while we still have some accessories and stuff on it.
Let's get the breaker bar.
The breaker bar, baby. I was hoping to find a way to lock out the flywheel, but I couldn't, so I made this.
Bring it down.
Really crude. That's right. Just dunked in the snow because it wouldn't cool off fast enough. There's these big old holes on the front of the crank pulley, and what my goal is to do is to use this to lock the holes out, so that when I go like this, I have something to go against. Boom. That's it.
Like that.
Just like that. That's the tool. So this is our RB crank pulley bolt removal tool. This thing came out like butter though. I'm feeling a lot more optimistic about that crank gear. Maybe zinc plate one of those, give it to Tommy as a thank you gift, you know?
Oh yeah, for
You'd love it, right?
he helped us out, so now you gotta.
Just zinc coat it and we're good to go. So now what we have to do is we actually have to pull off all the accessory belts and stuff like that and the water pump pulley, and we can take this crank pulley off. I already loosened this up, so we got this.
That looks like it came off real easy.
And the motor's fresh. I loosened everything. What do you think, RJ?
I keep things loose, so when I have to take them off, they're already loose.
Yeah, we learned that when
when we first started your car and everything was all over the fucking place.
the whole thing was shaking.
Great time to plug your channel, by the way.
Why?
Because we were making fun of it. If you guys want to see
I
the
know.
progress on DJ's car,
Drop it. Shameless.
DJ No Way, right?
Yeah, if
sir.
you want to
We'll
see,
put the link in the description.
if you want to see
Ooh.
progress every other month.
Posting. I'm proud of him.
posting.
He's posting when he can.
I'm not daily posting, but you know, I can't get too much work done with RJ around, but
I would get so much more work
he's
done if
not,
you weren't here.
when he's not here,
When he's not here.
you know.
Belt off. What are we thinking? Gonna be easy or hard?
You're gonna have to tappy tap, I think.
Damn. I was hoping it would just slide off. We got bolts wedged in bolts. There we go. This is ridiculous right now.
It is a little ridiculous if you can see what's going on right here.
Stacking bolts and bolts.
Hey, you gotta work with what you got, right?
Come on, please. Boom. This thing's in good shape. One thing that is nice about the RB versus the JZ is the JZ, you have to pull off your accessories fully to get the cover off. With the RB, I think if we just pull off the water pump pulley, all the cover should come off.
It's pretty convenient.
So at least the RB's got that, all right?
Yeah, we'll give him that. We'll give him that. Convenience.
Convenient. Yeah, because the RB knew it would be taken apart a bunch more.
Exact. My man spits facts.
I gotta stop disrespecting my engine like that.
No, I mean, it's...
Oh, it looks brand new. Maybe not brand new, but you get it.
Alright, whoa, wait. You got a belt from Tommy.
Yeah.
Why?
Because like usually you change it.
Usually you get a purple one that says HKS.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
You could write HKS on it.
Same but different.
Same but different. There we go.
That's so nice they come off like that.
You know what it is? The tensioner seems a little loose, doesn't it? Look how loose this belt is.
Seems quite loose.
Okay, well look at that.
Can't be having.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's no contact.
I really feel like the belt's supposed to be tighter than this.
I do too.
See it? Look at it spin. It's so, oh my God, look at that.
Yeah, that's loose.
Look how much play is in it. See this? Look, you can almost skip it.
That didn't go and jump a tooth.
Oh my God, thank God we're changing this. Wow.
James, that
See?
could have been bad.
Everything happens for a reason. Look, this thing can slip off if it wanted to.
Marker? Or we don't need?
I think we're just gonna
Just take a picture of it.
No, so there's, look, there's a dot on the cam here. See that? And then there's a marking on the timing cover. So we line that up, and then same on this side.
How convenient.
Yeah, so we can lock the cams there, make sure the bottom's at TDC, and then we just kind of have to slip the belt on. Kind of just pull all this off. I mean, this all looks like, the pulley looks like it's all in good condition.
It looks
little. There it is. That's it, boy. Then we can slip this off. Super stretched out.
Any rips, tears?
No.
Cracks?
It's not like dry rot or anything, it's just been used.
Oh,
wow.
The fresh Bando?
Look how nice. That's so nice.
It ain't no HKS, but yeah, she clean.
The green is pretty cool.
The green is hot, yeah. Do not crimp Bando.
So the belt's off, and now we can get to the part that I guess Tommy scared me into, right? So this right here is what we got to pull off because we will be replacing this because a new one comes with a pickup for the crank sensor, right? So this theoretically should just slide right off the crank, but Tommy said that this was going to fight us. Oh, wait.
What?
What? Come on, get off.
Ooh.
Oh, that's such good news.
Looks like someone put butter on that thing. Jeez.
There we go.
Well,
That's it.
you made that look easy.
Yeah, it was easy. So we got really, really lucky. We'll be replacing this thing, like I keep saying, that you won't see till, well, a later video. We're stripped apart, and now when the parts come in, real quick. All right, well, I'm super happy that all went smoothly today. That could have been really bad, and well, we are ready to go. So when the kit shows up, boom, we are there. So I keep saying I don't want to jump into anything until the car is wrapped up, right? We got a lot of stuff on the back burner right now, which is great. I have a bunch of parts ahead of time for once, which is fantastic. But I was looking around and I saw inside the Sonda, right? I haven't touched this thing in a long time. There is a piece, parts that have been sitting there for a really long time, and I don't recall if I ever showed you guys or not, but it's been so long, you guys probably forgot. Been dying to test with these things. I think they're really freaking cool. A lot of you guys probably think this is really stupid, but I don't care. I'm excited, and well, today's the day. We try them out. Show them off, Donnie. You good there, kid?
I just want the Japanese high shoes, dude.
Are you happy with these?
Why are you not?
No, I'm very happy with
Show them off. I didn't show them yet. Look at this. So as you guys can tell, these are Ganondors, but not they're not real Ganondors. So these are fake Ganondors. Yes, I can't believe I bought replica Ganondors. I felt guilty doing it, but most replica Ganondors look hella fake. These, once they're painted, will not. And that's, so this is the thing, right? They never make Ganondors for the EK Civic, or yeah, the EM1. Technically an EJ, that is. I get it, right? There's a bunch of different chassis codes. Everyone's what?
K8.
K8?
K8.
Oh.
6.9.
Civic.
K8.
96 to 2000. So I bought a set of like those like GK textile mirrors for the Civic. They looked so fake, it was so bad. And then these popped up on some like random forum where a guy overseas, he found these, couldn't figure out what brand they were, but they looked legit, so he hooked me up for a good deal, and now I have like these replica Ganondors. Yes, they're reps, I feel kind of guilty about it, but they're kind of cool. They're worth the gamble, and I'm actually really impressed. So let's get these things mocked up. Hold on, where's the real one? Here we go. Not too bad, right?
Don't make them pucks. Looks sick.
It looks good. Okay, okay. If they made ones for this car,
Yeah, we know. You would have bought real ones.
No,
but
okay.
they don't, okay?
Okay, I just really like the way they look, all right?
I know, you're all, I know.
You know.
I know what you thinking.
How goofy do these mirrors look?
Did you show them?
Looking. Kind of works with these body lines, but it just looks goofy.
Works nothing.
Can we let it fall and hit the ground?
No. They're not bad mirrors. We have to put the lens on, just obviously not on there right now.
Yeah, obviously.
They actually
Let me go from the front.
really good, yeah. That ain't half bad. That's not bad, dude. That kind of looks good. Like the fake ones usually look fake.
Yeah,
that looks good. Cause like the best part about the Ganondorf is the best way it pulls off a body line, right? Cause all air aftermarket mirrors usually do like some weird thing where they're like sticking up like a chicken trying to fly, right? But this uses the Civic body line just like a real Ganondorf really well. See that? This is a Grantador, right? That's what they call them these days. I have no idea what brand these are, but they look so good. Dude, that's so dope. Doesn't look.
It's got the look.
It looks great. They were painted and like sanded smooth. You would never know. I'm not proud of it. I'll put a stick on it that says fake. I'm not proud that they're fake, but they just look good. I don't care if these were made by or whatever.
Right.
Yeah, I just like the way they look.
You like the look. You don't care about the hype or the
Yeah,
the
like
clout that they. You just.
I just like the way they look.
Like,
Yeah, that's literally what it is.
That's what I'm talking about.
Both of our hands are on the damn camera.
James said, "You guys want to see fake Ganondors? I'll be right back." I didn't know James had a second set of Ganondors.
These are bad. These are bad.
Oh man.
Oh man, we got the base plate.
What? It comes in pieces?
It comes in pieces. Right? You can already tell it's a little goofier looking, but it's all right, right? Arrow mirrors are cool. Like I said,
This part's not bad.
That's what I'm saying. So this part's not bad. Like I said, I don't care what the brand is. I just like the way it looks. But when you start mocking it on the base plate,
Yeah, let's see. Put it together. It sounds like you're playing with like Mega Blocks or something. Like
that's not the look. There's just too many lines going on here.
that ain't it.
That ain't it. It's just like so distorted.
How much were these?
I don't know. Cheap. They were cheap.
They were cheap.
They were
Okay.
cheap. So look at that. Ain't the mirror that's in the box.
That's a Ganondorf right there. That ain't that.
That ain't that.
Jeez.
Looks like Dumbo. Take this.
That is a large ass mirror.
Where's the other one? The Dumbo ear mirrors.
Jesus.
I'll never not see that now.
Oh my god.
You hate Ganondorfs. What do you think? Not bad though, right?
No, they look pretty good.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're not bad.
Better than the Dumbo mirrors that it comes with.
I feel like the body lines suit it very well.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. I don't know how I feel like on your hatch. I think they look.
No.
but
We're
I
not
like them
talking.
on the coupe.
No.
This-
We're not talking about other cars. We're talking about
We're
this.
not talking about this or this. We're talking about this.
Big fan. Needs to be color matched, but all right. That was my segment.
Car needs to be color matched.
I know. I need to whatever. It's on the list. Okay. A lot going on. I'm really worn out. It's been a weird week. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's kind of everything went great. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And RJ.
Have a grand evening.